Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the HMH AI tools. I know we all understand what ChatGPT, Gemini, things like that can do. The nice thing about using the AI tools in a curriculum resource is that it already knows your curriculum. So you don't have to give it all the instructions or all the background content. Once you're in HMH Ed, you can come up here to the top where it says AI tools. And you can see for quick answers, blah blah blah. You can just select, and this is all I have access to. I don't have the literacy part. You can just click on whatever it is that you're teaching, and you can ask a question. You can also come down here where they have these different AI tools, and you can see you have 6 credits available. So what that means is you can generate 6 pieces of content through AI every day. Once you use your 6, then you're out, and you have to wait until the next day. So some of the things you can do, you can check writing authenticity. You can just upload a file. You can copy and paste things in there. And you can see curious about what the results are. So kind of seeing if the students just copied and pasted themselves or if it was authentic. Some of the other things you have here, you have create a lesson plan, newsletter, and you can go through these on your own. I'm not going to go through all of these for you, but I just want to show you how it works if you did want to create one. Um, so let's say I wanted to create a lesson plan. Nice thing about it, again, it understands your curriculum. So you choose your curriculum, you select the unit, science, grade 4. How many days do you want to be teaching that? Let's say I want to do it for 3 days. How long are my classes? Let's say 40 minutes. Um, and then you can also, if you come in here, it says topic or learning objective, type or paste or upload topic standard, blah, blah, blah. And you can see it gives you examples over here. You can also upload a file if you have any course documents that you want to put in there for whatever reason. You can do that as well. So we'll go ahead and create a lesson plan. So I click on create a lesson plan, and again, what's nice is it knows your curriculum. You just select the program that you're in, select the unit, select the lesson, and you can see once you select that lesson, it drops this in here, so you don't have to type anything in. You can, though, give it more specific directions if you want, or you can upload a file if you want, and then any other information that you would need to type in there. Days in lesson, let's say I want to do 2, and let's say my class length is 40 minutes. And then you can include teaching scripts or not. And then you just simply click on generate. So once you type all that in, it does take a minute for it to run through and create all of this. But you can see here's an overview: engineering, design, essential questions, focus. Here are all the skills, standards it's going to be working on, and you can work down through this. And then if you click on next, it'll take you to day 1. You can also copy this full plan, export it, probably to Drive and or Word. And you can see, are your students prepared for the day 1 lesson? Answer a few questions about student readiness. So you can take the day 1 quiz to make sure your students are ready. And then it gives you the entire lesson plan. And if you export it, obviously you'll be able to edit it anyway. You go to next, you have your day 2 lesson plan. Again, walks you right through it. And it also gives you to take the day 2 quiz, make sure the kids are ready, and so on. Then if you go to assessment, and you can see all the assessment ideas as well. Okay, and then just one more thing I want to show you, just to give you the idea of what all this can do. I'm going to go to create a presentation. So if I click on create a presentation, I'm going to do the exact same thing. HMH into science, select a unit. We'll do the same one, select a lesson, puts that down here in the topic or learning objective, subject, number of slides. So if you do the best fit, it would by itself, it would determine the content and how many slides it would need. How long do you want the duration of the presentation to be? Image use. How many images do you want them to put in the presentation? And you can fill all the rest of that out if you want. So I'm going to click on generate. And once it generates it, you can see, it's just like a slideshow. Um, you have your opening slide, and you can see they have speaker notes in here again, and you can go through it. If you like it, you can present it right from here. You can copy that, or you can export it, and then you can edit it any way that you would want. But I really think this is a great tool that you can use because it's going to save you even more time than using ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or something like that. So that's it. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I would be happy to help.